In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Smartsheet. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just looking to refine your skills, understanding how to navigate this powerful tool is essential for efficient project management. We'll go through the main navigation features which will help you organize and control your projects seamlessly. Let's start with the Home tab, your main dashboard within Smartsheet. When you log in, this is your starting point. Located on the left sidebar, it's essentially your bird's eye view of all your activities within the platform. Here you'll find your sheets and workspaces, and you'll also have the option to create a new sheet. The Home tab provides quick access to everything you need, so it's crucial to get familiar with it. Next, focusing on the navigation bar also found on the left sidebar, it represents the core structure of Smartsheet's interface. Within the navigation bar you can access the Home tab we just discussed, but there are also several other important options. You'll find the Browse section where you can explore items that have been shared with you, making collaboration much easier. You also have the Recent section, which allows you to quickly access the files you've been working on most recently without having to search through all your documents. If you frequently use certain sheets, you can make your work even more efficient by pinning them in the Favorites section for easy access. Keeping track of what's happening in your projects is vital, and that's where the Notification section comes in. You can view updates and alerts here so you won't miss any crucial changes. And when it comes to managing personal preferences or making adjustments to your account, you can visit the Accounts or Profile section. This is where you can access your settings, check your plan information, and log out. Now, when you open a sheet, it brings you to a grid-like interface similar to Excel or Google Sheets, providing a familiar environment for handling data. At the top of this sheet view, you'll find a range of tabs such as Grid, Gantt, Card, and Calendar views. These tabs allow you to switch how you visualize your data depending on your specific needs. Above this, in the top toolbar, you'll find essential functions like Add Row, Insert Column, automation, conditional formatting, and sorting or filtering options. These tools are critical for managing your data effectively and tailoring your sheets to best suit your workflow. Lastly, on the right panel you can manage attachments and comments, as well as various publishing options. This section allows you to enhance communication and visibility, ensuring that all your project details are centralized and easily accessible. By familiarizing yourself with these navigation features, you'll enhance your productivity and make the most out of Smartsheet's extensive capabilities. Stay tuned for more detailed tutorials to help you master each of these features to manage your projects effectively.